Now, 14 companies and individuals who have demonstrated outstanding performances in the country's manufacturing industry were honored at the Maiden edition of the Ghana Industry and Manufacturing Awards 2023, an initiative of Imperial Communications. The Ghana Industry and Manufacturing Awards celebrated these companies and individuals for demonstrating stewardship, health and safety, corporate social responsibility, and innovation in the manufacturing sector. Ghana Industries and Manufacturing Awards is created in response to the tremendous national pressure on the various business sectors to improve positivity on the economic outcomes, the impact of high-stakes accountability, and the intense scrutiny that today's private and public businesses face. Organized by Imperial Communications, the award seeks to identify and publicly recognize the most outstanding performing businesses in corporate Ghana across a wide range of sectors. Some high-profile people spoke on the importance of creating ties between countries in boosting each other's economy.
Ghanaians that are coming in Burkina Faso to take some product for the industries. So there is a good cooperation, a good exchange of even in the area of human resource, we are benefiting from your support.
Some award winners also spoke to Metro News.
Though you may have issues as a startup, you need to keep on going. Around a year, you'll be rewarded for your efforts. It's good that they've come up with such a program. It will help businesses to grow. Recognition and awards are important in every facet of life. So once they are recognizing people who are doing well, it serves the industry better, and others will also do more, intensify their business operation to also receive an award and recognition.
I advise the small business people, especially in the manufacturing field, that they believe in what they are going to do, because once you believe it and you start to work on it step by step, it is very good that you reach your goal. Nothing comes in one day or in just sitting down and dreaming. No, you have to be hard worker, to work day and night.
The organizers are recognizing the effort of the industry members. I think it's in the right direction. It gives us the edge to do more. It tells us that yes, people are really happy about what we are doing as industry players.
This year's Ghana Industry and Manufacturing Awards was on the theme, the contribution of manufacturing sectors and corporate business towards revenue generation for cushioning the Ghanaian economy.